Wow, what I prepared today for you is insane. If you want to learn piano fast, this is for you. Let me show you what you will learn in this video, and it's beautiful. Yes, this is Passacaglia, one of the most beautiful piano songs in the world. And in this video, I will show you how to play the song in just 5 easy steps, even if you never played the piano before. And along the way, you will learn a lot of basics and fundamentals on how to play piano. So let's start with step number 1. Put your right pointer finger on C and your left one on B. And the first exercise is to play right, left, but important, nice and steady, like left, right, left. Let's do this together 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and steady is very important. Let's go on with step number 2. This time, the pointer finger goes down 1 note until it reaches the note C. So we have these 7 notes: B, A, G, F, E, D, C. But we have still the same movement: right, left, and it looks like this: right, left, right, go down, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's do this together one more time. Right, left, right, left, left, left. One more time, this time a little faster. Great! If you can play this, you can be very proud of you. If you need some time, no worries, pause the video and repeat this a few more times. And it gets more and more beautiful in a second. Let's go on with step number 3. Now we shift our hand down to B. The right index finger is on B and the left on A. And now we play exactly the same: right, left, and the left hand goes down like this. Let's do this one more time together. Okay, and here's the hardest part of the entire video. Now we put both together, C, then we go C and B, then we go to B and A, then we go to G and A. And here's the thing. So we play this. And now check this out. Right hand goes 1 note down to the left. Left hand goes up to the note below. So again, right down, left up. That's the most challenging part in this entire video. Let me show you why and how this works. So let's start with C and B. C, B, right, left, Now, right hand down, left hand up. Now, right hand down, left hand up. So that's it. We did this 3 times, starting with C, then to B, then to A. Let's do this together, nice and slow. Ready? Right, left. Right down, left up. Right down, left up. Perfect! Let's do this one more time, and then we have the most important part at the end. So, one more time. A little faster. Nice and steady. Right down, left up. Right down, left up. Perfect! And now we come to the last and the most important part before we wrap everything up. But one quick note, if you have fun and you like this video, please do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps tremendously. I really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for this. And as a thank you, I do have a free piano course for my subscribers. You find it down in my video description. It's a 10-part video series. The best part if you really want to learn play piano. It's completely for free. I really appreciate your support, and I highly recommend it to start there if you want to play piano. I recommend pause the video now, grab this really quick so that you don't forget it, and then come back to the video that we can go on. All right, welcome back. Let's do the last part, which is so that's the symphony, the last part. It goes like this: A, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and 2 times A. Let's do this 3 times. One more time. Perfect. And we play this at the end of what we already played. I will show you this in a second, because now we have 2 more steps to bring all together so that it sounds really, really beautiful. First step, we play all 4 parts together very slowly, and then we play it a little faster and how it will sound at the end. So, first part slow for hand coordination. Ready? Start with C and B. Go. Right hand goes down, left up. Right hand goes down, left up. And now we have our symphony in the right hand. And then we start from scratch. So, but this time we do this a little faster and how it really sounds. So, listen to this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and go. perfect! And congratulations! You did a really, really good job. So, and if you are ready for more, don't forget to grab my free piano course as a thank you that you are my subscriber. Thanks so much for liking this video, subscribing, and here is the next video if you want to go on with the next song and with your next piano lesson.